episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today's a very exciting episode. It's episode 40, and we have Belinda joining us today as a special guest who will be making a few cocktails. So I've known Belinda for a long time, and it's really exciting to have you here in our new showroom to make some delicious cocktails today. So Belinda, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thanks, Dan. I am so excited to be here. Finally, it is just the most beautiful space. Yes, I'm the Patron Saint of Gin. I am an advocate for Australian gins and the spirit industry within our beautiful country. And I love mixing cocktails at home. I'm not a barman at all, clearly, or a bar person, I should say, but I just like to explore cocktails, and I think the one we've got for you today is pretty exciting.
Awesome. How good. So what is it? What are we making?
We're going to make gin and jam. So I really am into, at the moment, pantry cocktails. So things that you don't need to buy anything. You just go to your pantry or your fridge and it's all there. So we're going to do that today.
Okay, awesome. Well, as part of that, we're going to have to go into our retail showroom and select a glass that we'll use today in today's cocktail. So let's do it. Cool. So, what are we after?
I would like, I think, a short glass.
Yep.
Oh, look at all them. That's beautiful. I actually bought 3 jams.
Okay.
So I need 3 glasses.
Three glasses. Are we going to serve it in the same 3 glasses, or are we going to? You want to mix it up?
I don't know. I think maybe mix it up so that everyone can see how beautiful they are.
Sure.
So I'm just going to go to the crystal.
Yep. This is the crystal glass section.
Wow, I think that looks very
Great. It's one of our RCR crystal glasses. Beautiful.
What else do you think?
I think that. What sort of capacity are you after? Like what sort of?
Like 60 to 90 mil.
Okay.
Plus ice.
Plus ice. Okay. So you want to be around that 300 sort of mark.
All right.
So I reckon another good one could be maybe the Broadway glass.
Beautiful.
Which is this one here. Another nice crystal one. And I think why don't we try to find one that's very clean?
Okay.
So it's
you and I always like that,
yeah.
we like the tight lines. Yeah.
I'm thinking that we might go with. It's got a nice heavy base on it, and that's also crystal. That's from our Shepherd's Civility collection. So,
beautiful.
So I reckon these 3 glasses here, which we'll put up on the bar, are the ones we'll choose today.
Okay, love it.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so here we are. We've selected the glasses. Belinda's about to talk us through the local gin that we're going to use in today's cocktails and the jam. So, over to you, Belinda.
Thanks, Dan. So, what I've brought for you guys today is the Wildflower Signature Gin. I'm from Varsity Lakes, and this is the distillery that's located close to me. So, how convenient. Dream come true.
Yeah.
And the distiller has used a lot of ingredients that are local to the area, including his own honey. So he has beehives on his place, and he's put this into the gin. This is a really light, approachable gin. If you're new to gin, this is something that you should try. Very easy to drink with tonic, soda water, mineral water, beautiful. That's why I thought we'd bring it today to pair it with these gorgeous Australian jams. So these are from South Australia. I've got strawberry jam, I found some blackberry jam, and I also decided to go for a bit of a tart Australian marmalade. I think that'll really lend itself well. And for that sweetness, we're going to counteract that with our beautiful imperfect lemons.
Fantastic. Well, sounds pretty exciting. So we're actually going to make 3 cocktails here today, so with the 3 different jams. I will be calling in one of our recruits here at Distill, Kobe. She's going to come in and shake one up for us at some stage. But all right, over to you. Let's start.
Okay, thanks, Dan. All right, so when I make my cocktails, I love having loads of ice to chill it down. Probably because we're in Queensland, it gets a bit hot. Put that there. Now, I love a jigger where it's already the exact measurement that I want, so I go for the 60. Just so you're aware, you don't have to put in 60. If you like 30 ml gins, you can do that, or you can do 45. Doesn't matter, I like 60. That's because that's me. Then we need to put in some lemon. Big lemon. That's right.
That is a monster lemon. There we go.
And we need 30. So I never, ever, ever use you know, pre-packaged lemon juice, it's really yucky.
Always fresh,
Yeah, and it doesn't lend the cocktail any respect if you get it out of a packet. Then,
Which jam were you using?
I reckon the strawberry. I think strawberry's cool. I love this bar spoon.
It's nice, hey?
Yeah.
That teardrop.
Yeah,
It's available
perfect.
on our website.
So it's about that much. Now, there's no science to that. It's just how sweet you like it. If you really like sweet cocktails, you can add in some simple syrup to taste.
Yep.
But for me, jam tastes pretty sweet. I don't need that. Then, that's it.
That's cool.
So now, guess what we're gonna do?
We're gonna shake it?
Shake it.
So there we go. That's the way.
Yeah. Now you have to shake it until your hands freeze on the container. That'll do. And then,
Oh, easy. How easy is that?
right, which glass? My favourite. That one?
I'll move those out of the way for you.
Okay, thank you.
So do we want to serve this one up straight
With
away?
ice. Yep.
Yep. Cool.
So I'll put some ice in.
There
Thank
you.
you. It's fun having a bar.
It is.
It's great.
Yeah. It makes life a lot easier. That's for sure.
Now I double strain this because the jam has bits in it, and there's nothing wrong with the bits. And obviously whatever colour jam you use is gonna make it the colour that you want.
Well, it looks absolutely refreshing at this stage. That's for sure.
Alrighty, that'll do that one. Then I think we will go. So these are your dried oranges, aren't
So
they?
these are the ones that we get from our good old friends, Mr. Consistent, just
Yep.
down the road. So they're at Burley.
Yep. Oh, near me.
Yeah.
Right, and then I think we'll go. No, I think we'll go. I've got thyme for this. Get it?
Time. There we go. How good does that look?
I don't know.
That's bloody good.
Yeah, I like
happy
it.
with that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I think it's a beautiful colour, and
Yep.
it's going to taste rich and ginny and sweet.
Okay. I don't want to taste it just yet.
Oh,
I
okay.
want us to make two more
Yep.
of the, and maybe I can jump in and give you a hand.
Yes, you can go
Right,
for
see
it.
if I can make it as well.
Okay.
So here's which one was this one again?
That's the strawberry.
This is the strawberry one.
Yep.
All right. So maybe we give our shakers a quick rinse.
Sure.
And we go to the next one. So I might make the blackberry version of this one. All right. So we said load up heaps of ice.
Heaps of ice.
There we go. Is it okay to chill the glass down while we're making it?
Definitely.
All right. So why don't I'll put both of these up. I'll chill nice in there so those glasses are nice and chilled. There we go. Might slide this down slightly. Here's your one. Actually, we'll switch it up. You can use that one.
Okay.
There you go. So we said 60.
I reckon 60. I prefer 60.
Beautiful.
And now your 30 ml of your super big, massive lemon.
So
Show us your mustard stand.
everyone that follows this channel would know by now that I never use this thing. I
Yeah,
sit
you
there
use
and
your
I
hands.
use my hands, and it's all about authenticity.
Ew.
Yeah, so some people love it, some people don't.
No.
So for me, let's use this for the first time.
And look at all that beautiful zest coming out. That's another experience from using fresh produce. So just that essential oil is
It
gorgeous.
does make it a lot easier.
Yeah.
I must say, using that juicer than my hands.
Yep.
So there's 30 mils, and now we're going to use a bar spoon and a little cheeky scoop of blackberry.
Love it. Yep.
Beautiful. We'll drop that over there,
Thank you.
and now might try some. Let's shake her up.
That's a good shake. Yeah. There's your,
Double strain.
yeah. Let's rinse off the
The last one.
strawberry. See how the jam gets in there, and that's why you've really got to shake it out. And If you wanted a bigger one, you can top this up with soda water to lengthen it.
Yeah,
if it's too rich for you, or sparkling mineral water. Another one you can use is coconut water.
Okay.
Gin and coconut water are very good friends. Or you don't even have to, you double strain it. If you like the bits in it, that's all right too.
Yeah, I kind of think that taking the little grainy bits out allows the cocktail to be, I kind of think it looks a lot nicer.
I agree,
all the grainy
yeah.
bits, right?
And it's a bit more sophisticated at the end rather than having bits of jam seeds stuck in your teeth. There is that.
That's true. All right. So I reckon shit is done there.
Now, I think you should use the dried lime because that whole contrast of colours.
Okay. All right, so let's get that displayed just like that. And what about what else we got here?
Mint.
Some mint.
Look at this mint.
I love mint.
Me too.
How good is it? All right, so let's get some. Oh, I'm dropping it all over my floor. That looks like a great
That's
piece.
the one?
Yeah, there we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's get that one. Just in behind there.
Love it.
And there's the blackberry version.
Gorgeous.
All right, and because I did say that our team member is going to come in today, Kobe, and shake one up, we might prepare it.
Yep.
Bring Cobes in, let her shake it.
Sounds
and then
good.
she can strain it. How's that sound, Cobes? Sounds good? Great. All right. I'll let you prepare. I'm going to rinse this strainer for you.
Sure, thank you. All right, let's get some ice again. And you've iced the glass, thank you for that. All right, so let's get the gin. Are you gonna do the mussels for the lemon for me?
Do that.
Thank you. Now we're going to go with this orange marmalade. I'm excited about this because this will be a more sour experience, but the sweet and the sour, which is the basis for most cocktails, is that sweet and sour contrast, which is what we're chasing today. All right. So that generous bar spoon of bits. This will be a good one to shake up.
Absolutely. Well, Cobes has the best muscles in the building.
Really?
So,
Okay.
Absolutely. So we'll whack that on. Cobes. Shake away.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, good.
Keep going, yeah. You got
Keep
to
going, give it a crack.
smash up all of that jam. Make it get around. That's it.
Perfect.
You can't overshake, just so you know. So yeah.
There you go. Now, Cobes, we're going to double strain this one.
Yeah.
So we'll give you a chuck your strainer. Perfect.
That one there, you got it. Ah, yum.
Yeah, good.
There's one for each of us.
Yeah. And I feel like Kobe's one had less seedy stuff going on.
Yeah, it's coming out and it's
really
not,
easy.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good.
That's all right.
But that's why you do
awesome.
need 2 strainers too, isn't it? I mean,
Yep.
it looks awesome. Now, what would you like to garnish with?
What are you thinking?
Should we do lemon?
Yeah.
Fresh lemon?
Fresh?
Yeah, wow, okay,
why
yeah.
not?
Add us a second.
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Ooh, excuse fingers. Is that what you like? Yeah.
And maybe a little slit.
Slit.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
you're
see
gonna
on the side.
Do you
decide.
think?
Yeah.
Why not?
Something different?
Yeah.
Maybe you're going to do the full one?
What do you reckon?
Yeah. It's up to you. Slide it on.
Yeah.
And then some greenery.
And then a little bit of
Yeah.
green.
Mint. Mint
Happy
again.
days.
Let's go for. I was watching this one before. He looks good. Do you want the bug?
No bug.
No bug.
No bug.
Ah, that's so gorgeous.
How good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thanks for your help, Cobes.
Thank you.
All right, so there you have them. So
Gin and jam.
Gin and jam. Well, thanks, Belinda, for
Thank
helping
you.
us out today. It's been an absolute pleasure having you here on our 40th episode.
Amazing. I'm so proud of you and your team. It's
thanks
just
so much.
it's such an honour. Thank you for having me.
No, that's okay. And Thank you. We're going to try these now. So I might be, because I'm sure we're going to take a lot of beautiful photos, but I'm going to be a bit cheeky.
No, that's
And
good.
I have seen bartenders do this in the trade.
Yep,
I'm going to
yep.
give it a crack. I'm just going to put the straw in there
Yep.
and do that. I'll tell you what, that's bloody delicious. And we're good to go.
Excellent.
Cool. All right, thanks.
Thanks, Dan.
Cheers.
Cheers.